Hello guys, welcome. We will keep learning Chinese. And here we are. 谢谢你们告诉了我. 谢谢 means thank you. 你们 means you, but plural. 告诉 means tell. 我 means I. So le here makes the sentence past tense. So thank you for telling me this, but we don't know. 告诉了什么什么什么我. If you say this, thank you for telling me this kind of things to me. Oh, no, 这不是你的妈妈. This one 不是 not is not. 你的 your mama means mother. This is not your mother. 是我们的妈妈. This is woman, ours, 我们的妈妈 mom. This is ours mother. 不是的 no, 我想他们了. 想 here means miss. 他们 means they. I miss them. 不过 means but. 你们也帮不上忙. 帮上忙 means help. 帮忙 also you can say. 帮助 also means help. 帮不上 means cannot help. You are also cannot help. 我们做吧好吧. 做 here live. We live. 我们做吧好吧 means okay. 我们不睡了. 睡 means sleep, 睡觉. Woman, we don't sleep. 他告诉他们 他 means she. 告诉 tell 他们 they. Here she tells them. Here probably name, but has two meaning. One of them is they, the other one is son. 爷爷奶奶很高兴. 爷爷 means grandfather. 奶奶 means grandmother. 很高兴. 高兴 means happy. 很高兴 means very happy. My grandfather and mother are very happy. 坐在里面看起了电视. 坐 means sit. 在 means at in on here. 里面 means inside. They are sitting inside the house room. 看起了 means watch. 电视 means television. So they are watching television while sitting in the room. Here G mama 真高兴. G here is a name. So normally it has a meaning chicken. Mama means mom. 真 means really. 高兴 means happy. G mother really happy. 我也很高兴. I am also 也很高兴. I am also very happy. 很高兴能帮上忙. 很高兴 I'm very happy. But happy to what? 能帮上忙. 帮上忙 here help. I'm happy. I'm really happy to help you. So you probably know 很高兴认识你. 认识你 means know you. So I'm so happy to know you. Here 很高兴能帮上忙. So I'm very happy to help you. 你看起来也不高兴. 看起来 means seems. You seems 也不高兴 not happy. You seems not happy. 看到 means see. 我们老师很高兴. So seeing ours 老师 means teacher. Ours teacher is make me happy. So 欢女高兴的笑了. 欢女 here name. 高兴的 高兴 means happy. If you see the 高兴的 happily, 笑 means smile or laugh. So 欢女 happily smiling. 他们非常高兴. They are 非常 very so. 高兴 means happy. They are so happy. 男孩 means boy. 高兴起来. So 高兴起来 you can understand like this. Now before he is not happy, but you make a joke, so he starts to be laugh. So 高兴起来. So he became happy. 男孩高兴起来. The boy is happy. 儿子也高兴起来. Similar meaning. 儿子 means son. Son also. Son is also happy. 哥哥和妹妹就高高兴兴地做了. 哥哥 means elder brother. 妹妹 means younger sister. So elder brother and younger sister 高高兴兴的. Here is also there is emphasis. 高高兴兴的 happily. 做 means walk. So they are happily walking. 有了他 有 means have. Having him 我高兴的. So I am happy that if there is just adjective after the, so it's kind of adverb. But if you see a sentence after the, you can think this is the like that. So I am happy that 晚上也睡不着觉的.睡着 burada sleep. 睡不着觉 means cannot sleep. So I am happy that I cannot sleep all night, all evening. 我不知道他准备做什么. 我不知道. I don't know that. 他准备 means prepare. 做 means do. 什么 means what. I don't know that she is preparing doing what. So 他买东西去了. 他是买 means buy. 东西 means thing. 去 means go. So he went to buy something. 我不会买你的东西. 我不会. I cannot buy means buy. 你的 your 东西 means thing. I cannot buy your thing, your product, whatever it is. 还有很多好看的东西. 还有 still there is. 很多 means many. 好看 means beautiful. 东西 means thing. There are still many beautiful things. 这是他最喜欢吃的东西. 这是 this one is that he most like to eat. This thing 东西 this thing is that or we can say like this. He mostly like to eat this thing. This one is better. 我要吃好东西了. 我要 I want to go 吃好 means finish to eat. 东西 means thing. I want to go to eat something. 妈妈笑了. Mother is smiling or laughed. 西米 means here is a name. 也明白了. 明白 means understand. 西米also understood. 对不起. Sorry. 真的是对不起. Really sorry. 对不起 means sorry. 对 means correct, true. 这是对的. This one is correct. 对不起 sorry. I also translated. 我要吃了你. 我 means I, 要 means want, 吃 means eat, 吃了你. So I want to eat you. So it's probably I took this sentence from stories. A monster can say this kind of sentence. I don't know. 这还不关我的事. I means still. 关 here is a relationship. It's a relation. 关系. 我的事 means here business. So its English translation is this is not my business. So I want to eat you. This is not my business. 好了 is okay. 我们还有事. We still have 有事. Have here 有事 means busy. We still have busy. So you can say we still have something to do. 先做了. 先 means first. 做 means live. We live first. Okay guys, in next video we will keep from this sentence. I hope you can learn something from my videos. If you have any question, You can write on the comment section. See you guys. Bye bye.